G'day! In today's video I'm having a look at a Tru-Test XR3000, and if I hold the power button it will turn on, but as soon as I release it, it goes off. And the client was saying that with it connected under 12 volt power, it's able to stay on if someone is holding the power button the whole time. So something's not right. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to assume it's just all these large screws on the back, so I'm going to magically make them quickly disappear. Now it does say it's been environmentally sealed, and I've left one screw in, so the magic didn't quite work. Curious how well stuck together this is. Are we going to be glued, or are we going to have a gasket? What's going to be going on? Spider. Oh, there we go. We have a gasket. And we have a broken mount down here. Warranty void sticker. Now, all these screws that I've taken out are identical, so don't be too concerned about them. We have a moisture absorbing sachet. That makes me laugh. And this is... my battery just went flat, sorry. Here we have a... what do we got here? Get it out. No, it doesn't say the stats. We have one well stuck in battery. I feel like it's a 7 volt battery. 7.4 I'd be guessing. No. Now I want to disconnect a few things. I don't want to disconnect, I want to disconnect this flex cable here. I want to disconnect this data cable or flex cable going down here. I want to take out these screws that I can see. And then I want to fold the board over and see what I can see from there. Another connection over here. Go. Looks like it disconnects. Disconnects. One more screw here. Now this will fold over. Bugger, we have one big CMOS battery, 3 volt battery here, packed out. We'll test that with a multimeter. Sadly, it all looks like an underlying touchscreen on the other side. A broken leg. And for what I need to do, what the issue is, it's probably not going to be solved by doing too much there. Looking at my multimeter for the hell of it. Bolt. Yeah, within tolerance, 2.9 volt on a 3 volt battery. That's okay. Now flip this back over. So for me, I think there's much more I really need from here. And under here there's some LEDs, nothing more. I didn't need to disconnect these two. I must disconnect to the LCD display and the LEDs down the bottom there. Screw required a lot more screwing in than screwing out. Here. there. Get the screen back out here. If I flip this over now, more plastic. Keep holding it, works. Nope. Okay. Just glue that back on, being that is making it not exactly weather resistant now, is it? So I've just re-glued this section here. And sadly, I'll just be putting this back together now. I don't have a solution for that. Hopefully, opening this up may have given you a bit more information on your repair for this particular device. Just slide back in. No, it's not sliding back in. There we go. In, down. 1 installed, 2 installed, 3, 4. A bit of an up close look at the board. Flip this back over. And time to put a whole bunch of these back in. I'm pretty sure these are all of the same length, so you don't have to be too concerned on what hole you put them in. Right now, I'll just put them in here for now. So, damn. Sadly, you can't win them all. And today, this one is one of them. Bye.